Hello, good day. This is Roger Defoe, MIS consultant from RAD Software System. I'm giving you an update on the Trinimart dashboard. What I'm doing now is open sourcing the dataset related to the dashboard that you're seeing in front of you. I will quickly go to the PostgreSQL. Here you're seeing an example of the sales that the dashboard is based on. I'm going to just reconfirm the number count. So you see table rows counted is 1.2 million. These are the three tables that comprises my data model. It's done in what's called a star schema. So if you imagine a 5-point star, then the dimension are the nodes of those stars. I will open up the actual data model. Bear with me. Okay, this where you see these sort of like a leg, it's called a crowfoot in database parlance. And these are the fact tables. It's fact sales. Then you've got the dimension tables, products and branches as you're seeing on your left-hand side. Okay, so I have amalgamated everything into a virtual table, and I prefix my database objects, well, mainly the view in Postgres with VW. Okay, I'll just do the first 100. Okay, and it goes and it does behind the scene with the necessary SQL script. I mentioned earlier on that I had open source the information, and this you're seeing, it's a carefully crafted version for public consumption. It's hosted in GitHub and goes by the name of Trinimart Dataset 2026. What we just looked at was the Q3 raw CSV file. I've got here an executive summary for stakeholders to take a look at. It says Trinimart Analytics on MIS platform. And it shows the various technology that I had used. I had actually converted it into a Laravel app, a web application. I may show you all that at a different point in time, but essentially it just shows the versatility of my development background. Apart from Excel and even Microsoft applications, I'm a software engineer, and I use the build stack, that's Vue, Inertia, Laravel, and Tailwind, to develop business software. Just to recap, it tells you the data sets, 1.2 million, and give you some other relevant information. Okay, and it's just a summary report, so you can welcome to take a look at that. The SQL script for creating the tables in your chosen database platform. I made the SQL script as cross-platform as possible, but as mentioned, my preferred database is PostgreSQL. So that's just a brief overview. I will be making it public. As this moment, you can see it's in private mode. Okay. right here, and I will be converting it to public later on. Right, so that is basically the update, right? And again, thank you for your time. My name is Roger Defoe from RAD Software Systems. Before I go, I'm just showing you briefly the information in the dashboard. Okay, got slicers. So the stakeholder, it's quite welcome to you know, do the analysis from the summary information. And then it being a pivot table, you can always do drill downs, etc. Okay. Again, Roger Defoe, and thank you for listening to my videos.